Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camel Custom Seat Covers, and just finished installing the seat covers on the 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Looks awesome. It's a white truck, but then we went with a Kryptek Raid trim and a black ostrich insert seat cover with silver bear logos, silver thread bear logos on the front and rear. Looks sweet inside here, so let's check it out more. Okay, so these seats, first off, is the 40-20-40 front row, where there's a middle seat that folds up, and then the rear seat is a 60-40 split bench with an armrest back there. We'll get some light on that guy back there. So there's the 60-40 split bench rear seat. So now let's talk about the seat covers. So awesome set, just a really cool set. This is the Kryptek Raid trim material, and then that's the black ostrich insert to it. So that's a vinyl insert and a real durable nylon trim side to it. Just looks really cool on here. And then we went with vinyl headrests, so the black ostrich headrests, and that has the bear logo in it, which turned out sweet. And doing it in the black made that silver logo thread just pop. So did that for both the outside headrests on the front and on the back. We'll move to the back here shortly. But let's check out some more of these front seats. So here's the 20 section middle seat. So this has a lid that opens up right there. There's Velcro straps that hold it there. And then this piece, there's a backrest seat cover to that piece there. And this has Velcro, and then there's it'll come with sticky Velcro that you actually clean off that plastic and then stick down that sticky Velcro, and that's what holds that down. So it gives you full access to use that there. And then we'll put this up here so you can see the headrest. So there's the small headrest there in the middle 20 section. Okay, and then coming down. Now this one has bottom storage. So there's a storage compartment underneath that, so then the seat cover actually conforms around that, so you can still use that bottom storage piece there. So that comes down there, and before I put that down, let's actually check out the driver's side pistol holster. Okay, so that's the driver's side pistol holster right there. This pistol slips in right there. And then bringing that down. A couple other options we did here on the front seats is the passenger side MOLLE pocket right there. So you can see that one. And that's sewn on for storage. On the inside of it, Velcro opens. But these pockets stay on all the time. Whereas we have some other pistol pockets that can be removed. But there's the driver's side MOLLE pocket. Again, Velcro opening there. But then, so there's storage on the inside of that, but then you can also hook on different MOLLE gear on the outside of that right there as well. Okay, so you can see how nice it trims out. Oops, get my lighting fixed here. How it trims out here. Just that tucks in right there. So as you're installing that, you want to tuck that in. And there's a string. I've seen a lot of customers take a string and bring it around the outside. That's not the way to do it. That string actually tucks on the inside of that. Okay. And that is the way to install it. And that string drops down, and then it's going to tie around the back side. Okay, but before we move to the back side, here is the Velcro removable. Well, this is airbag compatibility here. So these Velcro tabs right here make it so that Velcro could pop open if the airbag ever needs to blow out. There, again, just a sweet close-up on the bear. Logos look so cool. Love it. Makes me want to go get some of these logos on my truck with the bears. That's awesome. So, okay, let's move around to the back seat now and check that out. And okay, so let's see. Here we go. Okay, so first off, the backs. Here's the back side of the front covers. Okay, so we have the special ops package on the back right there, and there's the 20 section folded up right there. Okay, nice and clean down here. That backrest cover comes down and attaches to itself with some Velcro, and then that bottom section comes down and attaches down. What I was talking about is that string drops down right there, and then you tie it off on the back, and then it all kind of should be clean when you're all done installing it there. Okay, so here's the rear seats now. Okay, so the outside 2 headrests we decided to do in the black ostrich standard. If you order it just standard, those would be in the Kryptek Raid or just whatever trim material. Whatever your trim material is, that's what your headrest would then be. And just like this one, the headrest was in the Kryptek Raid, but we knew we were doing Bear logos, so we decided to just go with the black ostrich on that, so then it would pop a lot more. And it does. It just looks sweet on there. Okay, so this is the armrest, cup holder piece coming out right there. A quick tip on that: when you're installing this, that should. Whoops, let me fix my lighting here. It's getting kind of dark as I get inside here. That should tuck underneath, right there. Okay, and then the other piece is inside this. That piece should tuck in on the back side of that plastic right there as well. I've seen some customers not finish that out, but that's really the way to finish the install, is taking this piece here and pushing it on the back side of that. It takes a little bit of work, takes a little more time to do that, but it sure looks a lot better if you can do it, and that sticks in there a lot better. Okay, so again, black ostrich inserts, Kryptek Raid trim. It looked really cool. Another quick tip on this is when you're installing these. Let's get the focus. There we go. This headrest should fit underneath. You got to pop it around those plastic pieces. Okay, I see that a lot as well. You wanna pop that over those pieces. Can't get that up right now. It's locked down, I think. So we're just gonna keep moving here. But anyhow, should trim out really nice, just like that, where it pops over those, and looks really good once you finish it up with that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the underside of these seats here. So this seat folds up like that, and so you get full coverage down there on the underside of that. So if you have the seats up a lot, that's all covered there. There's a little slit right here as well, so then you can still lock down your box right there. So it goes through that. Now these on this set, we also went with the rear MOLLE pockets. So the 2 rear MOLLE pockets. So these are, again, just like the front MOLLE pockets, sewn on to the seat cover, storage in the middle of those. But then you could hook on MOLLE, first aid kits, pistols, pistol holsters, things like that in the back. So just, could be for ammo carriers, all kinds of stuff for these rear MOLLE pockets. Okay, so that's a nice setup there. Another feature of the seat cover is, try to do this with, oops, I got to put the camera down here for a second, but fold this seat forward here, and so you can see full coverage on the back there as well. So that's just nice having everything covered. So if you have the seats down or seats up and you're putting bags on top or whatever it is, you're not getting things dirty. You got the full coverage back there. So with a real durable nylon material here, it's just really nice. Fold this back up there. Okay. So again, just trimmed out really nice. Here's another little piece. There's a little cutout here for that armrest pull tab right there. So then that'll still be exposed, so you can use that. And anyhow, just turned out. Whoops, get that focused again. Turned out sweet on this F250. Lots of pockets, lots of functionality here, but looks really cool too. You get the function and the fashion. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers in Camo Custom Seat Covers. The website's coversincamo.com. Check us out, see more different options there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more trucks like this and awesome sets of seat covers inside of them. Thanks so much, appreciate you.